But when you're far from the net, you need to give that a little extra pa para tumawid.
Ayan, pinabawi at bumawi.
Same time, her teammates were trying to uplift her, giving her pats on the back and words of encouragement. Team captain Angel Canino said to her, "Micol, tiwala kami sa decision mo." And setter Micol her journey has been all about growth and trust, both in herself and from those around her. She told me before she wasn't that confident and didn't even know what her strength was. But Coach Emil saw something in her and continues to trust in her ability.
So much, Patrice. I was actually about to ask you, Daniel, your thoughts on the first couple of games of Micol Reyes and her development.
Well, it wasn't the best of starts for her, definitely. You really felt the jitters nung opening game lalo na. But as we progressed, nakita natin na mas nagiging stable yung setting niya. She is really trying her best to get the balanced distribution na gustong makita ni Coach Emil. Again, this season,
it's nice to have a friend inside the volleyball court to hold each other accountable. Malaluan, Dagba Ecalia, Reyes, bumps. Van Bangayan, straight to Canino. Micol, a setup job for Aliyah, and the rally continues. Balik kay Bangayan, Bangayan, and that hit was undiggable.
Yeah, Panda and Bangayan. But right now, both of the best players of UE are in the front row, so they can stay in this rotation.
Right now, UE trying to get closer here, just down by 3. Ecalia will toss it up for Kai. De Leon dives. Pump set, Laput, improv. Cepada, tough angle. Canino with a put up. Aliyah. That's a specialty for Aliyah Malaluan. Pump set, Cepada. Above the double block.
Kai Cepada.
Micol will toss it up to Del Castillo, who will score.
Ninay Del Castillo.
Straight back to UE. Bump set, Cepada approaches. Cepada one more time. They will counter with Aliyah Malaluan.
That is the same point of attack for Aliyah Malaluan. Just
easy over. Chance here. Not that time for Nagales. Micol jump set. Canino with the put down. Full front line for UE. Back to Canino. Covered by De Leon. Laput will hustle. And this will be Canino striking. Van Bangayan. Block. Oh, that's in.
It's a block point for the Lady Spikers.
yep.
Laput pinabawi. Ecalia floor coverage. Micol sending it to the quick attack. Amy Provido.
That's the correct tempo. All scorers are on the board already for LaSalle.
That's a good point, Neil. Van Bangayan fires a bullet.
That was a perfect opportunity for
Tolentino to Provido. Canino will play setter. Laput pushes. Ecalia, the setup for Cepada, but she was denied.
there to put a stop to her attack.
Quick. That's a good one for UE. You were looking for that, Neil.
Yeah, they need more of that.
Strong serve by Laput. Tolentino. Reterta cross, dug by Reyes. Kai Cepada puts it down.
Kai Cepada
of UE, and they have been controlling all of the scoring categories, pero it's just a 2-point lead for LaSalle, and Coach Lamil wants double time on offense. 6 attacks compared to the 10 of LaSalle right now. Wala pa silang kill block, but they have scored 2 service aces as I say that.
As we are at a deadlock at 17, UE looking for the lead. Micol. Canino. Who else to go to when you need a point? Good receive. Balingit from the opposite side. Easily dug. Transitioning to Angel Canino. The wall of UE has formed here in set number 2. Her energy has been infectious here in this set, which is why we are tied at 20. Laput for the lead. Not yet, says UE. Pump set Ikalia. Van Bangayan. Squeezing it past through the double block. And just like that,
And late ko na nga na-realize that she did play as an opposite hitter for Alas Pilipinas, and she even won an award. So that can be one of the options of Coach Ramil in certain
Block
rotations.
point for the Lady Spikers.
block point for... First pass De Leon. Back set to the opposite side. Laput. Oh, it's still alive. Another try for LaSalle. Back to Shevana Laput. Slowed down by the blockers. Bump set. Kai Cepada not there. Micol sending it to the back row. Ekalia, nice dig. Kai, straight to De Leon. Micol to the quick. Amy Provido providing.
The wings have been checked by the...
Micol will send it to Del Castillo. Blockers were prepared. Cepada unloads. Canino with the easy up. Lapo to put it down. Reyes. Nice save. Van Bangayan off speed. Pancake save. And a quick. Here's that floor touch challenge.
Yes, there was a floor touch. That will be successful.
Nicole to Aliyah. Soreño from the other side. Can this be it for UE? Famulagan checked at the net. They will go to the pipe. Canino, what a dig by Van Bangayan. Cepada unpacks. Aliyah, tough angle. And they give the point to UE.